in middle of the night, and I can't believe my bird is, like talking that much. He's like screaming up. Yes, he doesn't let me even sleep. That's what I don't like it about. Let's go see. I know you're excited with nails and keratin. Don't you dare to bite it. Don't do it. No, you did it. Don't do it. I stored it because you don't. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? That's me. What you doing? Ow, ow, ow. It's literally biting. Ow, ah. Guys, you say Chippy's fake. He's real. He's still tickling. He's learning how to fly. Look, let me show the people. Let me show the people your skin, so you can know. Boop. Yes. Yes. I touched you. Ow. Don't tell me this is the phone case is made out of keratin, or else Chippy's gonna eat it. Because he has anxiety with keratin. Your nails and your literally everything. You literally bite me. That's biting. Ow. You're literally biting me so hard. Yep, you're biting me hard. Okay, I'm going to sleep. Bye. Bye, I'm going to sleep. It's 4 of the afternoon. I literally don't know why he's screaming at 4 afternoon. Okay. No, it's 5 of the afternoon. I'm trying to sleep. Why don't you try to sleep, dude? Try to sleep. Do you have sleep paralysis? No, you don't have sleep paralysis. You want my foot? No. Is it stinky? Lily, ow. He likes biting everything. Ooh, that was very close. Ooh, mommy, 7 paddle. He's on my foot. He's literally on my foot. You were literally stepping on my foot. Yes. Today I'm gonna have, some little dots on when I take off my socks. Because you put the little dots with your little claws. Yes. Don't bite the camera. Can you do Kawaka? They see. I'm literally getting stomped on by a foot. And again. It's on my foot. Again, you're on my foot. Don't put your other foot on it. Don't do it. And you're on my foot. Mami, está parado en mi pata. I was talking with my mom actually, who was like on my foot. Literally on my foot. My mom speaks Spanish. Hey, get out. But enough.